Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, the star of the day is... Well, I think I should say stars because it will be focaccia with salmon, and focaccia itself is a star, as well as salmon. Okay, doesn't matter. Super tasty sandwich will be served today in my office. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious sandwich. Amigos, extremely delicious focaccia with salmon is landing on the table. Bon appetit. Bon appetit very much. Now, I achieved peace of mind. I am relaxed.